Hello, dear subscribers. They'll tell you which is the best apps for knowing who views your Instagram profile. So actually, you need to know that there is no service and apps that real show you who just view your profile. It's only fake. It's not real because there is no data these apps can receive from Instagram apps that someone just views your profile. So actually it's working like someone just add like to your profile and this app show, oh, he or she just viewed to your profile, but it's actually not right. It depending only on some activity of users on your account, but it's not 100% that this user just open your profile. So he or she could also like your post in his or her feed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.